Hello guys, so I am getting ready, I'm packing. I am getting ready for school though right now, and then I have to go to the airport. I have the longest day ever, I swear it's going to be rough. So, I thought I would show you guys what I'm wearing for my wonderful day. Yeah, I want to be really comfortable. So, this is what I'm wearing. I just have my little shoesies on, then look at my hair. Then I just have like one of my little Nike shirts on. Look at my hair, it's a mess. But yeah, I won't get there till tomorrow actually, because my flight's not until a fun time. So anyways, I will talk to you guys soon, and hopefully I'll be making some more vlogs of my trip. Hi, greetings everyone. I'm in Seattle and we are hiking. I'm not in proper hiking attire, obviously. And my brother's, he's saying we're competing on who can guess the right class of rapid store. But anyways, here's our wonderful view. Woo. And now I'm just going to go walk down here very, very carefully. It is so hot. I'm not like back home, it's really, really hot, and yeah. Would you like to be in my vlog? This is my wonderful brother. Hi. What's down there?
Waterfall.
I'm gonna fall and bust it. Wait, is there any point of going down there?
Yeah, there's two more waterfalls. Come on.
Let's go see. Let's go see. One of my mother's is up there. Class 6.
Class 6.
Class 6. Oh, that's legit. Think you can kayak over that?
No. Not happening.
No.
You got another one. You got to stand on that to see the bottom. It's cool.
Dude, this is like intense. It's probably slightly dangerous.
Let's go.
Alright.